Meaning of enslavement.
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 Enslavement. Enslavement refers to the act of forcibly taking control of another individual's freedom, often through physical or psychological means. The result of enslavement is that the person who has been enslaved loses their autonomy and becomes the property of their master. This can result in a variety of harmful outcomes, including physical abuse, forced labor, and the deprivation of basic human rights. Enslaved individuals may also experience extreme feelings of isolation, hopelessness, and despair, as they are denied the ability to make choices and live their lives on their own terms.